Life is full of uncertainties. Hindi mo alam kung ano yung pwedeng mangyari sa'yo sa isang araw lang or sa isang oras. I've been a little bit under the weather since December 31. Hanggang January 5, birthday ko yon. Continuous yung pag-ubo ko, yung asthma attacks. January 5 is the worst. Ironic, no? It's supposed to be the best day, but it's the worst day for me. Kasi yung asthma ko, pasumpong-sumpong siya. I didn't even enjoy the dinner that we had kasi yung panlasa ko medyo off siya dahil sa ubo ko. January 6, nagpa-check up kami and the doctor advised me na magpa-confine kasi nasa severe stage yung asthma ko this time. January 7 kami nagpunta ng hospital para magpa-admit. After admission, they did some tests like blood tests, EDG, X-rays, sputum, and may mga iba pa. Grabe tong umpisa ng taon na to. I didn't expect this na ganito yung magiging beginning ng 2024 ko. Nakaka-stress kasi syempre mahal magpagamot. Yung meds, yung room, sobrang mahal niya na. Grabe na yung minahal ng hospital bill ko ngayon compare sa mga nagagastos namin before na pag na-admit ako. And nakadagdag yun sa weekend state ko kasi na-stress ako. I don't know how are we going to pay. Well, buti na lang may mga health card and yung IDs, yung PhilHealth, pero mabigat pa rin. Na-confine ako for 6 days. And hindi ko expected yun kasi mostly pag na-confine ako, 3 days lang ang tinatagal. Pero ito, talagang 6 days. Sobrang stress. Kahit ang purpose talaga dito is magpagaling ako, pero yung stress ko sobra. Sobrang pag-iisip. Well, thankful kami kay Jerome kasi she take some time. She adjusted her schedule para lang makasama niya ako. Kasi my mom can't be with me. This is my first time to be confined na hindi ko kasama yung mom ko sa ER to the room. And then this is the 6th day. Sobrang looking forward ako sa araw na to kasi finally mababawasan na yung gastos namin. And thank God pinayagan na ako lumabas.